Kia ora Tefano, it's Miss Sarmiento here. I just wanted to go over the essay assessment that we have given you guys, just to help you understand it a little bit better and help you understand what's expected of you. Um, it is due next week, Friday, which is quite soon, but this shouldn't take you too long since you've already got all the information readily available for you. So this is an essay assessment, and as you can see over here, it says this assessment you will be using two events that you have studied in class, and you will explain how and why people have responded to the Treaty of Waitangi over time. So if you can see here in section A, you've got to choose two events from the following tables. You've got table A and table B. Obviously in table A, we're going to be looking at Parihaka because that's the event we have looked at. And for table B, we will be looking at Bastion Point because that's what we've looked at over the last few weeks. So those are your two events that you'll be writing your essay about. Then in section B, this is your chance to plan your essay. So what happened in event one and how was it a response to the treaty? Same thing with event two, what happened and how was that a response to the treaty? And then we've got section C. So this is your part where it's time to start writing the essay and putting it together. As you can see, we've got sentence starters for you already throughout the essay actually. So all you have to do is put in the information in your own words that is required. And as you can see here on the left side panel, it tells you what is expected of you to put in your first paragraph and your second paragraph. So for paragraph 1, event 1, they want you to describe the event with lots of specific information like dates, people, and what happened. So that is your 5 W's and H of Parihaka or Bastion Point. And as you remember, I have had a few presentations posted about the 5 W's and H of those events. So that should help you fill in this section over here. For paragraph 2, they want you to explain how your event links to the treaty. So I do have, again, a PowerPoint presentation about how those two events link to Te Tiriti o Waitangi. And so that's your opportunity there to have a look and fill in this section. If you find that my presentations are lacking in information, feel free to email me or Ms. Howe just to ask us for any more information you want to add, or you can go ahead and do a little bit of your own research and look into the events a little bit more if you please. But again, it is very short notice. It is due next week, so please email us if you need urgent help. So they want you to refer to specific articles or terms of the treaty, make a clear connection to how your event is a response to these. So like I mentioned before in my presentations about the links to the treaty, it's clear that Parihaka and Bastion Point are both events that are linked to land ownership, the principles of land ownership in Te Tiriti o Waitangi. So there's that, a little hint for you there. And they ask the same for you in paragraph 3 and 4. So paragraph 3 is about your second event, 5 W's and H. And then paragraph 4 about your second event, how that links to the TTT and why it's a response to the treaty. And then you've got your conclusion. Again, there are prompts and sentence starters for you there, so you just have to follow along. In your conclusion, that's a chance for you to summarize everything you've written in your essay. So you don't have to go into great detail in your conclusion. You can just keep it short and simple, just to kind of tidy everything up and finish it off. So that is your assessment, year 10 assessment for this term. Again, I want to emphasize that it is due next week, Friday. So please get a move on with this. If you need urgent help or if you have any burning questions, email me or Ms. Howe. We'll be happy to help answer those questions for you. Awesome. I hope you guys have a great evening. Have a good rest of your week and enjoy the rest of your online learning. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.